Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best RV awning you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best RV awning in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Tentproinc Rv Awning. If you're searching for a sunshade to attach to your existing travel trailer or fifth wheel awning to keep the UV light from blasting you during hot afternoons, look no further than the Tentproinc Rv Awning sunshade. This sunshade can be installed on existing Carefree, Dometic, Solera, and other RV awnings. It blocks about 86% of harmful UV rays without interfering with the beautiful view you work so hard to achieve. The sunshade is 8 feet wide and 15 feet 3 inches long. As a result, it's intended for 15-foot RV awnings at the very least, but it can also be installed on larger awning arms. This sunshade not only blocks harmful UV rays, but it also lowers the temperature beneath your travel trailer awning. This product is ideal for hotter climates or summer RVing. It also helps to protect your RV awning from crosswinds, which can be damaging. The sunshade blocks and redirects these winds, preventing them from getting underneath your awning and putting stress on the points where it is attached to your rig. The Tentproinc Rv Awning sunshade is simple to install and remove. It comes with 4 sets of plastic stakes and bungee balls for attaching it to your RV's awning arm and then tying it down at the bottom edge to the ground. For details, let's watch more. Our second best RV awning is RecPro Vinyl Fabric Awnings. This is designed to fit most RV awnings without metal covers. RecPro's universal fabric replacement will perfectly fit your RV's existing awning, such as Carefree, Dometic, Lippert, Carter, and Faulkner. Carefully measure the distance from the centerline of one awning arm to the centerline of the other to ensure the correct fabric size for your RV, camper, or motorhome. Built for the great outdoors. RecPro's 13 ounces, 3-ply premium grade vinyl fabric resists UV and water and is cold crack tested to -20°F. This ultra durable, weatherproof material is reinforced with webbing at the stress points to prevent tattering and tearing in the elements. Replace your old, worn out RV awning fabric. RecPro's premium vinyl fabric will renew your canopy. The attractive fade print offers a seamless styling, while the heavyweight, weatherproof material provides reliable outdoor coverage from the sun, rain, and cold wherever you roam. Set includes awning fabric and install instructions. Easy, breezy setup. No need for special tools. RecPro's premium vinyl fabric for RV awnings features 2 sewn-in polyrods and straightforward step-by-step instructions to ensure the easiest do-it-yourself awning fabric installation experiences. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is RecPro Rv Awning. When it comes to sun protection, this 18 feet camper awning fabric from RecPro is the one to consider. It features 3 fade blends that complement the exterior color profiles of most RV on the market. You will get tan camel fade, gray fade, and fade. It's similar to the smooth transition from light to dark, which is also popular. The color combination appears to serve another purpose as well. It aids in avoiding solar capture, which can heat up the shaded areas if the awning is too solid and dark. When it comes to the material itself, you have chosen the best. Vinyl is the best choice for awnings because they are durable and long-lasting. With a tensile strength of 140 psi, these awnings are strong. Resistant to water, they can also weather out the storms without damage. Resistant to UV light as well, you can be sure that the color isn't going to fade anytime soon. You can have that attractive design for years to come. Number 4 in our side is StoreFront Rv Awning fabric. Designed for the great outdoors. StoreFront's 15 ounces, 3-ply heavy-duty vinyl fabric is UV and water resistant, and it has been cold crack tested to -20°F. This weatherproof, ultra-durable material is reinforced with webbing at stress points to prevent tattering and tearing in the elements. The materials used in its construction not only protect you from the sun's rays, but also ensure the product's durability over time. It is made of a 3-ply, 12-ounce fabric. It is one of the thickest awnings on the market, providing RV owners with greater dependability. Replace the fabric on your worn-out RV awning. The heavy-duty vinyl fabric from StoreFront will revitalize your canopy. The appealing dual-sided striped print provides seamless styling, while the heavyweight, weatherproof material provides dependable outdoor protection from the sun, rain, and cold wherever you go. Awning fabric and installation instructions are included in the set. To ensure the correct fabric size for your RV, camper, or motorhome, carefully measure the distance from the centerline of one awning arm to the centerline of the other. Last in our best RV awning list is ALEKO RV Retractable Awning. If you're looking for a quality awning for protection against extreme weather conditions, then the ALEKO RV Awning is good choice, which will be the perfect companion for your road trip. There are multiple factors that make this product attractive more than just weather resistance. To begin, this retractable awning shade has a thick crank that makes opening and closing the awning easier. Furthermore, the hard crank will protect the vehicle's front end. When you take a break from driving during your road trip, you will find the ideal shade to relax in. In addition to appreciating its dependability, durability, and sturdiness, I enjoy the aesthetic appeal that this product provides. The brown stripes on the awning would look great on your RV. This awning is available in a variety of colors to complement the exterior of your RV or trailer, in addition to brown stripes.